Have some bad news from Winchester ammo. I ejected that one out of the chamber, and that's what I found. It was pushed in. I don't know if it's because it's a match ammo that they're not crimped. That's what it's supposed to look like. Good thing I didn't shoot that one. But I chose this 223 69 grain boat tail hollow point because it had good specs. Well, it's got the best specs of all the other ones. Remington, even the different brand, different box of Winchester, the white box. Starts off velocity 3,060. Stays above 2,000 all the way 300 yards. But I was looking for 200 yard range, 2,442. You're on zero there. It only changes less than 2 inches, about 1.5 inches at 100. It still stays enough power out to 200, pushing it on 300. But the drop is too much. I wouldn't want it for that. And one thing I did do different than when I do the federal military ammo, I keep it straight up because I'm target shooting. And I put in a new magazine, pull it back, let it go hard. Well, I'm using this for deer hunting. I didn't want to try to get the least amount of noise as possible. I had it tilted slightly. I pulled it back, make sure it got up on out of the magazine. I eased it a little bit, then let it go about halfway. I didn't feel any resistance while I was letting it push into the chamber. I don't know if it's because I had it tilted, it didn't go up the feed ramp proper, or is it because it's a match ammo and they're not really crimped in there. But ever since I saw that one, I've been watching them. Now, none of them have done it so far, but this one. And I'm still doing it the same way, but I'm just watching it more closely.